that they're all in a queue for is 140 minutes. How long have you got left?
19.
Says on your watch, which is kind of cool. But it means you can't tap into any other ride, yeah, while you're waiting.
This is how I feel and I can't stop.
We found a map, but few and far between. I feel like we missed a lot. We came up here, didn't we? And then went through, and then our things are there.
Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't easier.
So it's right at the top. What does that mean?
We can still make it work.
We're done for the day. It's about 2 PM. Daisy's burnt like a crisp. I think we're just really hot, so gonna call it a day. And I think we're getting food. Everyone's hungry. Go on, just on the way out. Tap that, and then it gets them all wet. Oh, you hit a baby. You hit a baby.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't easier.
We've actually ended up in Universal again. We had some food after Volcano Bay, went back, chilled for a bit, and now we're here. We got stuck in traffic for ages. It's about 7 PM now. Everyone's leaving the park, but it's open until 9. So I think next stop is King Kong, because it's a 10-minute wait. We have walked all the way to the back, made it to Kong. 10-minute wait. Woo! Brandon, you excited?
I'm buzzing.
Oh, Daisy's hungry gal in her natural habitat. Ooh, oogie spooky. I'm scared.
Dad, you go past.
Woo!
Come on.
Woo! What way?
It's only a queue.
We have done Kong. Brandon, did you like Kong?
Kong, yeah, it was good.
Yeah. And now we're going to Hogsmeade. We're trying the frozen butter beer. It's $9 a cup though.
Tastes like a caramel macchiato.
Caramel macchiato.
Doesn't taste nothing like the London.
Doesn't taste like the London studios one.
It's weird.
Weird.
You try. I'll try. Accelerate, stop, turn, climb and drop. 20 minutes.
If you take the lift.
Can't take anything. Oh my god, I'm so hot. Can't take anything into. What ride are we going on, Daisy?
Forbidden Journey.
Forbidden Journey in Hogwarts. You can't take anything in the Zockers again, so I'll see you on the other side. Oh, I've got butterbeer on me. That ride was so good. It was here last time we came, but the lady said you're likely to be sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we'll do it again. I'll take you round because the walkway's really cool as well, isn't it? The queue bit. Oh, that was just so good. And some of it's like simulation, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
But it's screens.
Like simulation, and the other half is like props and things like that. It's just wicked.
Yeah, like an actual set. So good. But anyway, we're going to wander around Hogsmeade. I don't know. I don't know after that. Daisy wants to do Hulk, I want to do Cat in the Hat.
We can do both.
Yeah. Just in Honey Jukes. 3 for $35, chocolate frogs. I really like these. How cute are these sippy cups? Sweet crystals, chocolate bars. The theming is just insane. Peppermint toads, fudge flies. Got butterbeer ice cream in the pot. So there is an ice cream shop you can go to. Chocolate, vanilla. No, I think I'll get one from the actual ice cream shop. Cooler bags, $15. Pick a mix. I like the mugs, they're $21. So we're headed Zeus Landing. Haven't been there yet. Skies are gorgeous. Right, Zeus Landing. We're going to go on the green eggs and ham at Sam I Am ride. It goes around, so it'll be nice because the sky's pretty. Moose, juice, goose, juice, sweets, treats and drinks. I love Dr. Zeus. The signs say think left, think right, think low, think high. Oh, he thinks you can think up. All the things you can think up if only you try. Bye bye. We're only coming in. What?
There's a hope in the dark.
I
think you should do it because it's better than Velocity.
Oh, you got water! What were you saying?
I think you should do it because it's not as scary as Velocicoaster.
Yeah, but now I'm put off everything because of Velocicoaster.
Huh?
Now I've been put off everything because of Velocicoaster.
Yeah, but it's too cool. Like, you know nothing's going to be as bad as Velocicoaster.
I don't know, let's just do this ride. So we're not doing that because it's actually a half an hour wait. So we'll look in the shop instead. Very festive in here. Very Grinch style Christmas. One of my favourites. Cat in the Hat. I'm joking, it's not actually one of my favourites, but it's very chill, which I like. I like Velocicoaster. Barely any queue.
But your mother is out. Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish with a game that...
They have all gone back on the Hulk, so I said I was going to wander up to Hogsmeade and have a wander around while they're doing that. Still so busy, considering the park closes in less than 20 minutes. Really busy. I think if you go in here, only Myrtle talks to you, or I could be really wrong. It does, but I felt it's awkward film because it actually is the girls' toilets too. Hogwarts at night. It's light up even more when it gets darker. Another ride here as well, I think it's going. It reminds me of the Runaway Mine Train kind of thing. It's a bit smaller, but the ride in there is so good. They have so many cute little back streets too. This is between Honeydukes and Three Broomsticks. Oh, they've got sound effects going. For like the back of the kitchen. The pots and pans moving, I don't even see it in there, the lighting's not great. It's also rustic, and then this is the back of Honeydukes. Stuff in. Cute. Cute. I have heard they put the wait time on this really high towards the end of the day, and then people were saying it's to put people off getting on so they don't have to stay super late. And it was saying it's closed now, but it was saying 85 minutes, and there were people coming off saying it was a 15-minute wait. So definitely don't let that put you off. Worth doing. I also just dropped my phone. I was scared I smashed it under the protector, but we'll leave that for the journey home.
Afternoon. Today we've had a very lazy morning as yesterday was so busy. Went to Volcano Bay in the morning, came back about 3 and then went out again at 5 to Universal, which was very worth it because the parking is free after 6 o'clock and the park itself was very quiet because it's the end of the day. We got 4 rides done yesterday. I think it was Hulk, Forbidden Journey, Cat in the Hat and King Kong, all in 2 hours, which is really good.
Also, I'm going to butt in. You know, it shuts at 9, but we were actually there till 10.
Yeah, we were there till 10.
It's just the shops and rides entrance is shut. But if you get on the ride just before, you're fine.
Yeah, and they were letting people on Hulk, which was the last ride we did yesterday, at 9, and then they shut it at 9. So you're in there quite a while after closing, and all the shops are kept open, apart from like Starbucks and that. But like the merch shops and that are all open, which is really good. Today we're going to Vineland Outlets, which is very exciting, and then we're going to go to the new Cheesecake Factory, which is now next door to the Vineland Outlets, which is also very exciting. So we'll see you when we're there.
As Daisy said, we're at Vineland. Parking again, so busy. We managed to get a space luckily, but absolutely stuffed. Popular, these outlets. Got Tommy, DKNY. Is it DKNY? Oh, that was a bit of a tongue twister. And Burberry, Adidas, Coach again, Diesel, Ralph Lauren, New Balance. We're probably spending a bit more time here as well because the other outlets, we've only been there for about an hour at a time. Seems like we've spent the whole time in the outlets. We really haven't. So, yeah, we're probably spending quite a lot of time here today. That's just having a look in Nautica. Those are good deals on, 50% off, 60. It's huge in here as well. Brandon's looking at watches. He popped into Citizen, he's seen a watch he likes, so just seeing how much it would be at home. Ralph Lauren next. Daisy's happy as well, to Starbucks. Looks so angry. Oh wow. Cute. Oh, that jumper at the back's nice. Good vibes polo. I like that. They've got nice stuff in here, but the deals aren't that much better than home, to be honest, I'd say. Darby's! It's like a Starbucks walkthrough. How funny. You walk from one window to the next. Oh, Brandon, I'm going to get the strawberry acai with lemonade. It's quite nice. Daisy's happy. She's got a venti light ice. I can't do the accent, so I'm trying. What do you think? Is this your first strawberry acai? Do you like it?
It's sweet.
It's sweet, yeah. Got the big boy one. Big boy venti. On to Nike, and it's huge. Huge. Go on, Brandon. Find your trainers. I don't know about the deals on these trainers, you know. I bought these at home for like £60, $94 plus tax. They do have like Jordans and stuff here, which you never get at home in an outlet. Oh, sorry. Should I crash? Like these trainers here, I bought these about a month ago for £50. Not a good deal. Oh, Brandon's found something. He hasn't spotted me yet. What have you found? Jordans. You don't think I like them? Would you like them? I actually quite like them. I take back what I said.
I need to see if there's another one.
Oh yeah, there's a little mark on them. Both Jordans, $86. The lady was really helpful actually, wasn't she? She got you extra discount. I can't believe $86.
And then she took it down to 86.
So good. Where next? Gucci, which has got the Q, Prada, All Saints, Guess. I love these bags. I got one a while ago. My friends bought me one for my last birthday, I think it was. I use it every day. It's a very nice shape and size. I've lost everyone. I went to go and look in Marc Jacobs while they came in here, and I've lost them all. We are off to the Cheesecake Factory, which I think is around the corner. I think it's pretty close. I'm really sad because I didn't buy anything. I got socks and that's it. I've reached another 15 minutes, so I'm going to have to leave it there and we'll carry on the next video. It's taking me a little bit longer to put them up now. I'm back home. As you can see, I'm on a train. But yeah, we'll just carry on the next one. Thanks for watching.